Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is IBK and this is my life as it is. Please like, share, and comment on my videos. If you are watching for the first time, welcome. If you've been watching for a while, oh my goodness, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. So today, you guys are joining me on my whole adventure today. So right now I am getting ready with my daughter to go to the store to purchase to buy some groceries. Christina, what do we do mainly except for shopping, cleaning, cooking, and taking care of our kids? Yeah. So come along with me as we go out to do some shopping. Alright guys, we just got to the Asian market. It is called New Market. I'm only buying, let me be disciplined, I am only purchasing orange, tilapia, microfish, and if they have like really nice chicken legs for babies, that'd be nice. Let's go. Oh, and some spinach. Hi, sweetheart. It might take a while before we can get the food. There's a lot of people here, and my daughter is over here making so much noise. So much noise. Wait, what? Alright guys, so far I think I got more than what I expected. I got some gala apple, some indomie, chicken legs, and then some spinach, okra. This is ginger, and this is the most beautiful orange ever, and some vinegar. So I'm now just waiting for the fish to be done. They're cutting it currently. Once that's done, I get to go to another store. So yeah. Alright, I just got to the next location for our grocery shopping. It is a Nigerian market. It is Southwest Farmers Market. I will not be taking you guys along with me inside because when it comes to shopping here, I like running inside and then going out. We literally just got back from the market and doing a lot of grocery shopping. Of course, there's always something else to do in the house, so I just have to do some laundry. A quick one for that matter, so please excuse the mess. And, you know, you guys see the pots on the table. That's another responsibility of mine that I'm gonna have to do shortly, which is washing dishes and cooking. Oh, pray for me. Oh my goodness. Look at my baby girl dancing. Go baby girl. Go baby girl. Go baby girl. She loves to dance. I hope you guys are enjoying. Myself together. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm about to do some cooking. we went to do some grocery shopping last month. I'm always taking you guys to go grocery shopping. I need to do more with my life. That's why I say I'm just stepping out of my comfort zone, like come up with it. So I'm about to set everything up and then start cooking and then take care of the kids and motherhood. I am so hungry, but I have to carry baby boy so that he can take his nap and then I can get my stuff done. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. You will not regret it, I promise y'all. It's been a long day. I woke up this morning, I'm feeling super exhausted, like just so tired. But then I woke up and I noticed that my living room needed to be clean, my carpet needed to be washed. You know what, I fed my child, my daughter first, and then from there I said, you know what, forget your phone, sit down, eat some oatmeal. And I did so. And I do not eat oatmeal, but I'm like, I need to improve my diet, so I needed to do so. So I went ahead, ate some oatmeal, and now it's lunchtime, and I also still need to apply for some jobs and do some things. I need to relax, you guys. I need to start relaxing, finding a way for me to just, even if it's just 30 minutes, just to calm down. I feel like I overstress myself and I overthink too much to the point that, yeah, I'm stressing myself a lot. So pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. But yes, so right now I am just waiting for my rice to be done. I cooked last night, you guys. Yes, I cooked. Sorry. I'm still trying to find a way to hold this very well. But I cooked last night. I made some efori roll, and I made some, what else did I make? You see what I mean by I'm overstressing myself over, I can't think properly anymore. That's why I'm changing my diet, because I feel like my memory is, my thought process is not, it's not normal. Pray for me. So I made some efori, I made some stew, I made some okra, I made some ogbono soup yesterday as well. So now I'm making some plantain and then some rice, and then I sit down and eat some lunch and then apply for some jobs, and hopefully homeboy right there will fall asleep. Fingers crossed, pray for me, you guys. But yeah. But as I'm waiting for the rice to be done, I'm over here eating eating my plantain.